Hello friends, today we will learn about the Social Security Act 1935. Let's see an introduction of Social Security Act 1935. The Social Security Act was introduced on August 14, 1935 by the US federal government in order to protect and prevent the individuals by providing the financial assistance. These individuals are old persons, disabled persons, children, retired employees, jobless persons, etc. The Social Security Act was designed with consideration to the individual's needs and demand by ensuring adequate social security benefits structure in an effective way. So, we can say, in addition to several provisions for the general welfare, the new act was created, that is Social Security Act 1935, with the motive to provide financial help to the specific section of persons, including old persons of age group 65 or more, disabled persons, unemployed persons, and retired employees. According to data of Social Security Administration, which was released on June 2020, 15% of disabled workers received the Social Security benefits. 3% of young survivors received the benefits. And 82% of retired workers, dependents, and aged widows received the retirements or survivors benefits. So, we can say Social Security Act plays a vital role in many individuals' lives and it is very beneficial for them. The Social Security Act was signed into law by the President Franklin D. Roosevelt in 1935. The law was part of Roosevelt's New Deal of Domestic Program with the motive to provide income to the specific section of individuals. So, the law created the Social Security program as well as insurance against unemployment. Now, we will understand the different types of program which were authorized under the Social Security Act. There are three types of program which were authorized under the Social Security Act of 1935. They are social insurance, public assistance, health and social services. Now let's see the first program, that is social insurance program. Social insurance is a cooperative device which aims at granting an adequate benefits to the insured on the compulsory basis in time of unemployment, sickness and other emergencies. For example, the major US social insurance programs are Social Security, Medicare, unemployment insurance, workers' compensation, and disability insurance. So, social insurance program is one of the most important program of Social Security Act which can be helpful to provide compensation benefits against the loss resulting from a particular emergency. Next program is Public Assistance Program. Public assistance refers to assistance program that provide either cash help or in-kind benefits to individuals and families from any governmental entity. For example, major federal in-kind benefits programs include medical benefits, food stamp or food voucher and housing assistance, etc. The main purpose of public assistance program under the Social Security Act is to provide minimum degree of social security to persons in need. Last program is Health and Social Services Program. The Health and Social Services Program is an insurance plan for persons aged 65 or older which was established under the Medicare program as Title XVIII of the Social Security Act. It was designed to protect the citizen from the economic risk and insecurities of life. For example, the compulsory hospital insurance program is Part A of Medicare, and a voluntary program of supplementary medical insurance is Part B, where Healthcare Financing Administration, an agency of the Department of Health and Social Services, is responsible for setting policy and administering the Medicare program for the older age group. So, with the help of this graph, we can know the Social Security benefits growth level by comparing the past average earning of older persons. According to the report of Social Security Administration, which was released on 2020, several older persons received the Social Security benefits based on their needs and their past earnings. Thus, we can say Social Security benefit is a very progressive and very helpful program for many persons. Now, we will understand the main purpose of Social Security Act 1935. The first one is to provide Social Security benefits to the retired or old persons, which is helpful to manage and handle the stress level of the individuals in the future. The second one is to provide social welfare benefits to the specific section of groups or persons so that they can meet global changes as well as economic changes in a more better manner and also can live happily by meeting those changes in effective way. Third one is in order to help the individuals in dealing with their future livelihood problems or issues easily with less financial burden and distress. The fourth one is to fulfill retired or elderly future expenditures or expenses including medical expenses, insurance expenses, personal expenses and regular expenses. The next purpose of Social Security Act is to keep the individuals motivated or encouraged towards their work performance with higher level of performance towards the specific goals or targets in order to attain Social Security benefits in a better manner. The another main purpose of Social Security Act is to avoid the damages of productive areas due to illness, unwaged or jobless or incapacity to earn due to some reasons. Now, let's see the conclusion of Social Security Act. The Social Security Act 1935 created a system which can be helpful to promote the welfare of US citizens. Thus, Social Security Act provides the benefits including a pension system for retirement, a system of unemployment compensation and assistance for the disabled persons. So, we can say Social Security Act established a system of old age benefits for workers, for victims of industrial accidents, unemployment insurance, aid for dependent mothers and children, the blind and the physically handicapped by providing them financial help or in-kind benefits. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.